Mathematics, chapter number 12, equation in one variable. In this lecture, we learn the word problem based on equation in one variable in the practice set 12.2. Let's start the practice set. Practice set 12.2. First question. Mother is 25 years older than her son. Find son's age if after 8 years ratio of son's to mother's age will be 4/9. The ratio of mother and son ratio will be 4/9. And mother is 25 years older than her son. The age of mother is 25 years more than her son, and after 8 years the ratio of son and her mother will be 4/9, and we have to find out the age of the son. What we have to find out? The age of the son. Now solve the example. Now in the word problem, first assume what we have to find the age of the son. Therefore let the present age of the son be x years. Will be x years. Always keep in mind, we have to consider any variable to the age of that son after 8 years. What is our condition? After 8 years. Therefore we write here after. If the age of son is x year, therefore age of mother will be age of the mother is equal to x plus 25 years. Why x plus 25? Because age of son is what? X years, and mother is 25 years older than her son. Therefore the age of mother will be more than 25 than his son. Therefore the age of the mother will be x plus 25 after 8 years. What is our condition? After 8 years. Age of son. Age of son. If today's age of son is what? X, and after 8 years means what? Plus 8. Understood? The today's age is what? X, and we have to calculate the age after 8 years. The age will be x plus 8 years, and age of mother will be today's mother age is what? X plus 25 plus after 8 years means what? Plus 8 is equal to x plus 25 plus 8 is equal to 33 years. After 8 years the age of mother will be x plus 33 and the age of son will be x plus 8. Now what is our condition? Therefore from given information what is our information? After 8 years ratio of son's age to mother age will be 4/9. Son's age is what? X plus 8. Mother age is what? X plus 33, and the ratio will be what? 4/9. This is already given in the problem. We put in the equation in one variable form. Now by doing cross multiplication, you have already learned how to solve equation in one variable in practice set number 12.1. In that same way we have to solve this equation in one variable by doing cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, 9 into x plus 8 is equal to 4 into x plus 33. Therefore 9x plus 9 8s are 72 is equal to 4x plus 4 into 33 is equal to what? 132. By rearranging the term, 9x minus 4x is equal to 132 minus 72. Therefore 9x minus 4x is equal to what? 5x is equal to 172. 132 minus 172 is equal to what? 60. Therefore x is equal to 60 divided by 5. Therefore x is equal to what? 12. Therefore x is equal to what? 12. And what we assume in the first of the example, we assume x is the age of the sun. X is what? The age of the sun. Therefore x is equal to what? 12. Hence we find the age of the sun. Hence the present age of the sun is 12 years. The present age of the sun will be what? 12 years. Third example, the ratio of weights of copper and zinc in brass is 13.7. Find the weight of zinc in a brass utensil weighing 700 gram. What we have given? The ratio of weights of copper and zinc. The ratio of copper and zinc in a brass is what? 13:7. The ratio will be what? 13:7. What we have to find out? Find the weight of zinc. What we have to calculate? Find out the weight of zinc in a brass utensil weighing 700 gram. Means the weight of that utensil is what? 700 gram. And we have to find out the weight of zinc in that brass utensil. Now let's solve that example. The ratio of weight of copper and zinc, we have given the ratio of weight of copper and zinc in brass is what? Already we have given 13:7. The ratio is what? 13:7. Let the weight of copper be 13x. Let we have to consider the weight of the copper be 13x, because the ratio is copper to zinc is what? 13:7. The proportionality constant is considered as a x. Therefore 13x, and weight of zinc will be zinc be 7x, because zinc is what? 7. Copper to zinc ratio is 13:7. If copper is 13x, then the zinc will be 7x. From the given information, given weight of brass, we have total weight of brass or the brass utensil is what? 700 gram. Given weight of brass is equal to what? 700 gram. We have already given that the total weight of the brass utensil is 700 gram. Therefore weight of copper in brass plus weight of zinc in brass total is equal to what? 700 gram. The weight of copper in brass and weight of zinc in brass, the total amount will be what? 700 gram. But we consider the weight of copper in brass is what? 13x. Therefore 13x plus weight of zinc in brass is what? 7x. Therefore 13x plus 7x is equal to what? 700 gram. Therefore 13x plus 7x is equal to what? 20x is equal to 700 gram. Therefore x is equal to 700 divided by 20. Therefore x is equal to what? 700 divided by 20. Therefore x is equal to 35. Therefore x is equal to what? 35. We got the constant is what? 35. Now from that we have to calculate the weight of the zinc. Therefore weight of zinc in brass is equal to 7x is equal to what? 7x. Now 7 into x is equal to what? 35. 7 into 35 is equal to 245 gram. The weight of zinc will be what? 245 gram in a brass utensil. Hence from that we always write down answer of word problem in the sentence. Hence the weight of zinc in brass, the weight of zinc in brass utensil is 245 gram. Fifth example. In a two-digit number, digit at tens place is twice the digit at units place. If the number obtained by interchanging the digit is added to the original number, the sum is 66. Find the number. We have the two-digit number. The number at the 10 place is twice than the units place. If this is our condition, or what is our condition? What we have given in a two-digit number, digit at the tens place is twice the digit at the units place. म्हणजे युनिट प्लेसचा जो नंबर आहे त्याच्यापेक्षा जो टेन्स प्लेसचा नंबर आहे तो काय आहे? ट्वाइस आहे. If number obtained by interchanging the digit is added to original number, the sum is 66. Now let the digit at the units place be x. The number at the unit place will be x. Therefore the digit at tens place is equal to 2x. Why 2x? Because we have already given the digit at tens place is twice than the digit at unit place. If number at unit place is x, then the number at tens place will be 2x. Therefore original number is equal to what? Original number is equal to 2x into 10 plus x. Now why here 2x into 10? 2x is the what? Number, but it is at the tens place, therefore we multiply it by 10 and the unit number we write as it is. Therefore the number will be 2x 20x plus x is equal to 21x. The original number will be 21x. Now according to the given condition, number obtained by interchanging the digit means x at the tens place and 2x at the ones place. Therefore x into 10, because x at the 10 place, therefore we multiply it by 10 plus 2x at the ones place, therefore plus 2x. Therefore the number will be x plus 10x plus 2x is equal to 12x. Therefore the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 12x. From the given information, from the given information, 12x plus 21x is equal to what? 66. Because in the problem we have, if the number obtained by interchanging the digit is added to the original number, the number obtained by interchanging the digit is what? 12x is added to the original number. Original number is what? 21x. The addition will be what? 66. Therefore from the given information we write the equation in one variable form. 12x plus 21x is equal to 66. Therefore the answer will be 12x plus 21 is what? 33x is equal to 66. Therefore x is equal to 66 divided by 33. Therefore x is equal to what? 2. The x is equal to what? 2. Therefore the unit digit is what? 2. The digit at the unit place is 2, and tens digit is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to what? 4. 2 into 2 is equal to what? 4. Hence the number at the tens place is what? 4, and the unit place is what? 2. Therefore the number is what? 42.